a short story, Shadow Hearts, by Oxford Reading University, Level B1.
Part 1. Listen to the story and answer the questions at the end. The city was dark, and rain fell like silver needles from the sky. Blair ran through the empty streets, her boots splashing in the puddles. Behind her, she heard heavy footsteps. They were coming. She turned a corner and pressed her back against the cold brick wall. Her breath was fast, her heart beating like a drum. She could hear them, creatures of the night, moving closer. Blair wasn't a normal girl. She was a hunter, trained since childhood to fight vampires and werewolves. Her family had been part of the Order for centuries, protecting humans from the dark forces hiding in the city's shadows. But tonight, something was wrong. The enemy was too strong. She touched the silver dagger at her waist. It was her only weapon now. The rest of her team was gone, lost in the battle earlier that night. A shadow moved near the streetlight. A tall figure stepped forward, his coat flowing behind him like black smoke. His eyes glowed red in the dark. He was a vampire. Blair gripped her dagger tighter. She was ready to fight, but the vampire didn't attack. He stood there, watching her. "You are different," he said in a deep voice. Blair didn't answer. She had never heard of a vampire speaking to a hunter like this. "I don't want to kill you," he continued. "Not tonight." Blair frowned. Vampires didn't show mercy. It was a trick. She took a step back, preparing to run. But in that moment, a loud howl filled the air. A werewolf. The vampire's eyes narrowed. "They're coming for you," he said. "If you stay here, you will die." Blair hesitated. She didn't trust him, but she was outnumbered. If she fought alone, she wouldn't survive. The werewolves appeared at the end of the street, 3 of them, their yellow eyes glowing in the night. Their sharp claws clicked against the pavement. Blair took a deep breath. She had no choice. "Fine," she said. "But if you betray me, I'll kill you." The vampire smirked. "Fair enough." He grabbed her arm and they ran. Through the dark alleys, across empty bridges, past old buildings. Blair felt the wind on her face as they moved through the city like ghosts. The werewolves were close behind, but the vampire was fast, faster than anyone she had ever seen. Finally, they reached an abandoned church. The vampire pushed open the heavy doors, and they stepped inside. Blair turned to him, still holding her dagger. "Who are you?" she asked. He looked at her for a long moment before answering. "My name is Lucian." Blair's eyes widened. She had heard that name before. Lucian was not just any vampire. He was the prince of the night, the ruler of the underworld. And now she was standing right in front of him. Part 2 is coming soon.
Quiz. Did you understand the story well? Answer the following questions to check. 1. Why is Blair running at the beginning of the story? A. She is being chased by vampires and werewolves. B. She is looking for her team. C. She wants to go home quickly. Correct answer. A. She is being chased by vampires and werewolves. 2. What is special about Blair? A. She is a princess. B. She is a hunter trained to fight dark creatures. C. She can turn into a wolf. Correct answer. B. She is a hunter trained to fight dark creatures. 3. Why does Blair decide to trust Lucian? A. She knows him from before. B. He promises to help her escape from the werewolves. C. She has no other choice. Correct answer. C. She has no other choice. How many did you answer right? Tell us in the comments.
If you are not subscribed to our channel, you'll be missing out on our new videos. Like and subscribe to get more English audiobooks like this. And now, check out another story.